Right, welcome back to part 2. I'll put a new disc on and brake pads. 2 minutes after I stopped filming, they turned up. I'll give this a quick clean. Not that it probably looks it. Same with the caliper, the hanger. What I've done is I put one pad in, because my thinking is when I get it up on here with the caliper and everything hanging in the way, it might be awkward to get in, so just trying to save myself a bit of time. It might work, it might not. I'm going to see if I can put this camera somewhere. Hold on. Right, I think that might have you. You better see from there. Alright. I will give this disc another wipe down when I've got it all on. Clean all this up. There's a bit of grease on there as well, but I'm going to leave it on there. Right, and this just fits on like so. One disc fitted, I can go home now. Right, that just fits on there like that. And what I'm hoping is the hanger with the disc in it, this pad's in it, will go somehow like that. Oops, just knocked you again, alright. Come on, line up. One in there. Somebody will probably say, oh no, you can't do that because the disc don't go back, or I don't know. Just seemed an easy. I mean, there's nothing stopping that pad coming back. Just I thought, you know, everything else here, you've got these little clips, only a couple of little clips, but I thought this might make life a little bit easier for myself. Right, it's a 15mm. Do it by hand a bit more. I've took my gloves off because I'm fed up with my gloves, and I'll put them on when I do some walk up. Well, I probably won't put one again. It's a lovely day. You wouldn't believe it in February, would you, really? When I put that piston back, I used the wind back tool. It's got like a flat plate, well, sort of a flat plate. It's got a couple of little shapes on it, but it fits in there, and you can use your wind back tool to push the piston back. I went back a tree. Obviously, I opened the reservoir and it took it right to the top, because you don't want brake fluid on your paintwork or anywhere, because it would just take the paint off. That's tight enough. There we go. Now I've already wire brushed this and there. A couple of grease is here. Just put some in here. Trying to get it on the disc. This is the other pad. Come with the plate already fitted on. I mean, so it come with the plate already fitted on. I'm not sure if I should take that off with it grease underneath, but yeah, if I'm just going to put copper grease on top when I've got it in place. Actually, these go on a lot easier than the back on it. You just push them on. There you go. That looks good, doesn't it? Does to me anyway. to put some cotton grease in the back to stop it squealing. Not time you get like squealing, it's just the vibration between the piston and the pads where they, you can imagine how fast this is going around, can't you? So there's a lot of vibration there. When it's scraping, then it's down to, there's nothing left of it. You can see the difference. I mean, these, that one, you can see the, I don't think you can see the difference, but I'm hoping you can see the difference on the camera. So that just goes back like that. It's lovely jubbly. Like I said, disc is on there like that. Wheel holds that on, basically. Right. Let's unhook this. Bit of laugh, I can't get that out, isn't it? Right, and I'll push the piston back, like I said. I was going to shave it. Oh, that just comes off that plate, so I wonder if I should. Oh, I don't know. If it makes a noise, I'll take it off another time. Grease it. So the main thing is to get this done, because I've got to the other side. That clip was broke off. Oh yeah, that's broke off there. I hate finding bits of metal on anything. Where does that go? So it comes off there, so that's alright. This one. I haven't gone back very well, but I've actually cleaned that pin because it's a bit dodgy. Not dodgy, I just thought I lost that bolt, but right. Should have got 13mm socket wires down there, shouldn't I? But a bit of a sparrow. It's not a bad little job. That's all. But the weather makes a difference. Like so, I did that back wheel bearing on this. That was freezing. That had been snowing all morning, and yeah, that one's turning. Yeah, it was snowing all morning. 2 minutes after my battery went flat, it snowed. That was freezing, and my cup of tea got spilt. And she brought me another cup of tea out this morning. I drank it, but it was stone cold. There you go. I've already mentioned it, but tomorrow is the start of the driveway project. Landlords, because this is a rented house, landlords decided in the middle of February to dig up my driveway and relay it. And I'm not going to complain. You can do it when you're nice, but most people will have worked to warmer weather. So I'm not paying for it, so I suppose I am my rent. But it's been nice for 5.5 years, so I can live with it, you know what I mean? Just you want to get the car done. So hopefully I'll get some. I don't have to just take photos and do it as photos, or film it. I might do a bit of both, because it's not only just this, it's round the back as well. It's a bit round the back you can do. I might mess it up a bit for me, because I think he's on about putting a step in. I don't want a step really, because the lawnmowers. Right, like I say, this is why I'm doing it. I'm not saying you should do it this way. That's it, basically. That's the job done. 2 bolts at the back, 2 bolts here. Disc wheel goes on. The other little thing I'm going to do on this one, even though I'm going to clean it off in a minute again, is I'm going to put grease on here, just on that hub and on the edge, not on the disc itself, because it won't stop. Just where the wheel touches only like a film with it, because I've got alley wheels, and alley wheels mixed with the steel, and they stick. You don't want to film with it because you don't want too much on it, because obviously it will spin off and spread in your disc and you'll have no brakes. So yeah, that's more than enough. I'll wipe some of that off. But like I said, I'll grease that before. But if you've got alley wheels, that's just a thing that, you know, helps you out sometimes when you get a puncture. So all we've got to do now is do the other side to the other side. Turn to the other side, and I'm just hoping that's not the workman turning up. No, that's alright. Yeah, I've just got to the other side now, and 2 new tyres. This one's got a screw in it. That's got to be done. And then a BMOT, yeah, back with a retest. Yeah, it's all good. Well, I'm happy with that. Are you happy with that? Well, I'm fine. Well, thanks for watching. Hope I ain't bored you too much. Yeah, thanks for watching. Feel free to comment. Yeah, it's all good. Right, thanks for watching.